Yo, welcome back to my channel, here on my freaking balcony. You guys probably usually see me do videos in there. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you why we fired every single person on our team that didn't make enough calls as we wanted. Sounds crazy, we're gonna get into it. My name is Raul Balufe, and I help people start, get that very first investment deal and scale to 5 deals a month, all virtually, 5-figure checks each. Now, why the freak? I'm trying to be cordial here. Now, why would we get rid of a bunch of people on our team that they're doing calls, but they're not doing enough calls, and get rid of all of them in one day? When I say get rid of them, I mean it in the most respectful business manner, but you know what I mean by that. Now, there's something in business and in life called boundaries, standards, and I'll give you a quick backstory of how we got here. But we used to have a freaking really cool office in Wynwood, which is a artsy district here in Miami. We paid an arm and a leg for that office. It was really cool. We had graffiti, a bunch of things set up. We had cubicles with 12 spots in there. So we had 12 people in different parts of the office in cubicles making calls, whether it was acquisitions or dispositions, meaning either buying houses over the phone or setting up appointments or selling houses to investors. We had 10, 12 people. I don't say that at all to brag. I actually think that's a very small company, compared to some of our other competitors. But this was about 2 years ago. And then we made the shift to, we want to switch to the new way of wholesaling, which I shared in a webinar I did. But we wanted to switch to that new way of wholesaling. We didn't want to deal with that old way anymore. And we're like, all right, the first thing we have to do is get the team to buy in. Get our salespeople, get our team members to buy in, because you guys, the team, is the one that does all the work. And they do a lot of the front end stuff, and they're the face of the company, believe it or not. So we set up a meeting, said, hey guys, this is gonna be the changes, and there's some major changes going on. And all of them said, yeah, we're in. I'm like, that's weird. I think I did my job poorly because everyone said they're in. So then I go back and I said, we were done with the meeting, and I go back and I start thinking, I said, you know what? My mentors always told me, data, not drama. Look at the numbers. You guys ever hear numbers don't lie? Well, in business, that is a law. So I went back and I looked at the numbers on a spreadsheet of how many calls and things, and I realized 11 out of 12 of them weren't really on target for the last month or so about hitting their calls, hitting their dial numbers, talking to enough sellers, all the metrics that we track in our business. So I said, I had to set the tone for this new business that we're doing. And I literally went in there and we got rid of everybody, okay? And it was just me and my COO, Lewis. Basically, it was just us two. We stayed us two, and I was scared. I was nervous, I was anxious. I didn't know what the heck we were gonna do next, right? We had this big team and this office, and now it's just us two. That was a crazy feeling. But then what happened next was incredible. Once we did that, we set the tone for our own standards, our own boundaries. This is what they are. These are our business standards. These are the calls we have to make. This is the numbers we're gonna hit. This is who we're gonna be as a team. And we believed in it so much that we were willing to just do the work ourselves, the hard work ourselves for a long time, even though I always did the hard work, but we were willing to show everybody, yo, we're gonna do the hard work ourselves. But really, the goal was that we showed us. Those were our standards, those were our boundaries. We're not gonna accept anything other than that. We're not gonna put our standards down for our employees. We're actually gonna bring their standards up. And if our people don't wanna fall in line with that, if your people don't wanna fall in line with that, then that's their problem. But that's not your problem. Your job is to make money for the company. Your job is to bring up your people so they can be the best they can freaking be, so that you can be the best you can be, and elevate the game, okay? Elevate the game. So that is the reason that we did it. And it wasn't anything malicious. I actually enjoy working with a lot of those people, and everything was great until we really focus on the data and not the drama. So the reason that we got rid of so many people was data over drama. Okay, I said it a few times in this video, as you can see. I'm very good at repeating myself to make a freaking point. I hope it makes a freaking point in you. And don't be scared to remove things from your life that don't hit your standards. It's okay. But what you can't do is level down your standards or tie it down a notch. Ever since, we've hired another set of people. Now our team is up to, I think, 18 people again. And I wouldn't say it's a happy ending yet, because I feel we have a lot to grow. I have a lot to learn. There's a lot of things I don't know about team building. So if you're good at that, please comment below what is some good ways to build teams past 20 people, 30 people, 50 people. If that's your expertise, please reach out to me. That's kind of in the phase we're at right now, to grow the business and make 7 figures a month is our goal by next year. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you really like this, if this is valuable for you, click that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to my channel, or share it with somebody that you think might find this of value. Maybe they're in a business situation that's annoying, or maybe you are. But share that, like it, subscribe it. You can also follow me on TikTok and stuff like that. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.